Hello dear students, now I am demonstrating how can we construct an angle. Okay, to construct an angle we need to do these steps. Okay, so first I'm going to construct an angle 30 degree, so that first we need to draw a line. You can draw a line using your scale. Just draw a line. Okay, after drawing the line we are going to construct an angle of what, 30 degree. Okay, so we need our instrument protractor. Okay, take this protractor and you have to keep that protractor like this way. Okay, means that its center position, this portion should be on here. Okay, and this line, this is our baseline. Okay, that baseline have to be contact with our line. Okay, it have to be touch on here. Okay, and this must be like this way. Okay, if you are taking the baseline as this, okay, if you are taking the baseline as this, you have to, now we can see that the line that is coincide here is this one. So you have to take the zero of this portion, understand? So you have to take here the zero is on up position. Okay, so you have to count from like that, 0 10 20 30. So you will get a point on here. Okay, just mark a point here, and after that you have to connect this point. You will get a angle of 30 degree. Instead of that, if you are taking not this end, if you are taking this end this way, if you are taking, okay, now I took this end, then what you can see that here the center have to be touched like this way. Okay, and this must be parallel to this one. This is the baseline. This baseline must be parallel to this one. Like that way you have to be keep, understand? The center have to be touched here, and this line must be parallel to this one. Like this way you have to keep. Okay, now I am adjusting and keeping like this way. Now you have to see that the baseline that is touching or coinciding is this one, understand? Then that time you have to take 0 here, understand? This here 0 is marked as in down. So 0 10 20 30. When you are marking here, you can draw an angle of 30 degree. Okay, now I am drawing the angle of 30 degree this way. Okay, so you can see that this is the angle 30 degree. Okay, you can either draw on here 30 degree or here. Okay, where you are drawing, you have to take the marking like that way. The baseline 0 where it is that 0 to that up to that one you have to count. So now I draw an angle of 30 degree. Now I am going to draw one more angle for you. Okay, for example, angle of 75 degree. Okay, 75 degree. Okay, same procedure we have to do. Take your scale and draw a line of any measurement. It's not a matter, measurement is not a matter, just draw a line. Okay, and take your protractor here. Okay, so I am taking this side. Okay, so again this side, this center have to be come here contact, and this line must be straight with our this line. Okay, so here you can see that our baseline is this way, understand? So here this part 0 is here. Okay, 0 from this one we have to count up to 75. 0 10 20 30 40 50 60 70. 70 to 10 5 divisions is there. So center of this one must be what, 75. So this is the 75. Okay, after putting a point here, you have to join these 2 points. Okay, so you will get a what, the measurement of what this angle is. You can write as what, 75 degree. Okay, so this is the way we have to draw or measure construct the angles. One more example. Okay, this is the last one. Okay, 110 degree. Okay, how can we draw this one? Just draw the same way. Okay, a line. Okay, I am taking this side. Okay, I am taking this side. Okay, so this is my baseline. Okay, so I took this side. Okay, this side I took. Not if you are taking this side also, no problem. Okay, I am taking here this side. Okay, this end have to be touched with this one. Okay, line must be parallel. Okay, so I took this way, and the 0 is now here. My measurement is 110. 0 is on here down. 0 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100 110 is on here. Okay, understand? 110. So up to that one I have to draw. Okay, so write this as 110. If an angle is named as A B C, can call as angle A B C is equal to 110 degree. Okay, A B C is equal to 100. B is come center means it is 110. Okay, so that's all for today. So all of you have to construct the angles like this way. Thank you.